For today's short story, I decided to do The Very Hungry Caterpillar. So why don't we go ahead and take a look at that now. So here's the title, The Very Hungry Caterpillar, and I will leave a link for this in the description down below. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny, very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. I'm so hungry. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through two pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through three plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through four strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through five oranges, but he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate through one piece of chocolate cake, one ice cream cone, one pickle, one slice of Swiss cheese, one slice of salami, one lollipop, one piece of cherry pie, one sausage, one cupcake, and one slice of watermelon. That night, he had a stomach ache. The very hungry caterpillar then ate through one green leaf. He started to feel better. Now the caterpillar was no longer small. He was a big, fat caterpillar. And now we're looking first at the little caterpillar, and now we're looking at the big caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a small hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and a beautiful butterfly is what came out of the cocoon. So can you tell me, what are your favorite foods that you like to eat? Leave a comment down below. So I thought I'd share another story. I really have a good time reading those, and The Very Hungry Caterpillar is pretty classic, in my opinion, and I just thought I'd do a short story on that. And that'll do it for today's video. And as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day here with me, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.